want to melt it very slowly and keep checking the water. Here's the other thing. I'll give you a really good baker's tip. You may have heard this. If you get a drop of water in your melting chocolate, that it will seize, right? Don't get a drop of water in there. Hey, I've been there. I worked at the restaurant. We were making this chocolate mousse thing with a fudge base. As I was melting the chocolate, the chef comes up to me, don't let a drop of water get in there. It's going to seize up on you. So I said to him, we were melting chocolate like this with butter. And I said to him, well, that doesn't make any sense because doesn't butter have moisture in it? Doesn't butter have water in it? How come it's not seizing? We got butter in there. Don't ask me any questions, he said. Just do what you're told. Anyway, I'm a very literal sort of guy, and I was very baffled by this. So I just did my own research, and it turns out that he's absolutely correct. A drop of water in your melting chocolate will make it seize. How you get it back is you add more water. So if that ever happens to you, you actually drip a drop of water and it's seizing. Take like 2 or 3 more teaspoons of water and just put pure water in there. And that will make it smooth out and you will save that chocolate. It'll come together because this butter that we have in here has more than a drop of water in there. And this is how this chocolate does not seize. So yes, 1 drop of water will seize your chocolate. More water will bring it back. It really will. And it just depends on how much chocolate you're actually melting as to how much water you would need to bring back seized chocolate, okay? But that's a big chocolate melting hack there for you. If you're ever just melting pure chocolate on its own without butter, and that happens to you.